They're beginning to float. They're so cute. If you have a hot tub or a jetted tub in your house, then you're probably familiar with the weird film, scummy stuff that builds up on the top of the water. It's really unfortunate that that happens. In this video, I'm going to show you what our tub looked like the last time I ran the jets, and I'm going to be demoing this in the tub today to see what it captures, because I have not done a full clean of the jets since the video that I'm going to show you. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video, as well as the yucky stuff that's going to come out of the jets, I'm sure, are my own. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're bigger than I thought they were going to be. Oh my goodness. These are adorable, and they do feel like they're going to catch that weird scummy stuff. The texture of them is like kind of like they're those scrubby sponges, those soft scrubby sponges that you get for the kitchen sink for the dishes. These are so cute. Oh, and they have little suction cups to keep them in place. That's amazing. They're super cute for such a dirty job. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the scum that these are designed to catch. Unfortunately, I did not have them the last time I ran the tub, so I had to clean this all out of the bottom. I strategically placed these on either side of the tub, and now I'm going to fill it. This is going to take forever to fill because it's a giant tub. Wait, we're almost to the point where I can turn the jets on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so one thing that I noticed is that the scum tends to accumulate more if you have some suds in there. So I'm just going to throw some suds in. That guy is completely buried in suds. Okay, we're going to turn it off now so that the bubbles don't take over the bathroom. Now, at first glance, it looks clean-ish. Draining. Okay, we're going to get this one. I have a clean towel. We're just going to set it there on the clean towel and smush it. You see, you can tell a huge difference in the amount of yuck on the bottom of this tub. You can't really see it. You can't see it in the whale, but you can sort of see some discoloration on the back of that side. But I can tell a huge difference if you rewind the video and go back to what it looked like, the floor of the tub, what it looked like without these guys in it. You will see a huge difference.